Hi, I'm very delighted to have Tejas Baldev with me, Regional Manager from ScaleArc. ScaleArc has been a sponsor at Data Platform Summit 2017, and this is the second time in a row they are coming to our event and supporting us. Tejas, thank you very much for joining us again this year. How has been your experience?
Thanks, Amit. I think it was amazing. The quality of people that we had and the questions that were coming our way were really amazing. Very grounds up people who actually were the ones who are utilizing our technology, and it's great to be here again. Yeah.
So, Tejas, you were there last year too. So, what are the different things that when you compare 2016 with 2017, where do you see improvements, both in terms of the conference, the speakers, the content, and the attendees at your booth?
I think the entire technology landscape has moved tremendously over a period of a year, and there are new buzzwords like the IoT or the big data coming into picture. So people, and of course, and people are moving away from the, at the end of the day, the underlying technology still remains the same. It's the new hype that is kind of coming across, and to have such technologies being discussed and how they are solving problems within the countries, so the whole idea is how they are actually solving the problems at the ground level is something really interesting to interact with.
So Tejas, I know a little about ScaleArc in the sense that you offer solutions, basically solutions to scalability issues, right? I mean, how you scale your applications when millions of users hit, and you have some of the biggest customers like Book My Show. Am I correct there? So why don't you very quickly tell us what is the crux of your offering, when it comes to scalability?
We are essentially a database load balancing software which sits between the application tier and the database tier. Our sole aim is to make your enterprise-grade applications into consumer-grade applications. The two things that we do very well is improvement of your performance of your critical applications, and we provide high availability and uptime. So guys like Book My Show use us to make sure that their application never goes down, and even if there is a surge in a traffic or there's a huge movie coming up, it performs really well.
Wonderful. Apart from Book My Show, would you like to mention a few other customers that are using ScaleArc softwares?
In fact, it's good to be a part here where Microsoft itself is one of our largest customers who's been using us since more than 3 years now. Dell.com's entire e-commerce software runs on ScaleArc as such. In India, we onboarded a couple of new customers this time, being Thyrocare, which is into healthcare, and Snapdeal, of course, has been one of the customers.
Wonderful. Tejas, I hope you make more customers out of this conference, and people benefit from your software. So thank you once again for being part of this summit. You have a safe flight back. Thank you very much.